Hello and welcome to the Pidgin English School. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speak Pidgin English with a new Pidgin English word. Now if you're new to the channel, like the video, share the content and subscribe to learn more about how to speak Pidgin English. So the word we're going to be discussing today is the word Kukuma. It's pronounced Kukuma and it just means go ahead and. Kukuma means go ahead, just go ahead and. So let me give you some examples of how to use the word Kukuma, which is a Pidgin English word, so you can use it to talk to your friends and to people around you in Nigerian, that is, or people who can speak Pidgin English. Here's an example. You know when we return my money, Kukuma chopan, which means you don't want to return my money, just go ahead and keep it. So once again, the word Kukuma means just go ahead. Okay, let me repeat that again. You know when return my money, Kukuma chopan, which means you don't want to return my money, or just go ahead and keep it. So you can use this for somebody who owes you money and doesn't want to return your money. All right. So let me show you another example of how to use the word Kukuma. Now here's another word. You know one chop this morning, Kukuma do fasting, which means you don't want to eat this morning, just go ahead and start fasting. All right, let me read that again. You know go chop this morning, which means you don't want to eat this morning. The word chop means eat. Kukuma do fasting, that means just go ahead and start fasting. All right, so this is the meaning of the word Kukuma and how you can use it to converse with your Nigerian friends or people around you. If you want to learn more about Pidgin English and how to speak Pidgin English, go to the link in my description and you can get access to some of my Pidgin English books on Amazon. Just go to the description, click the links, and you can buy a paperback copy or a Kindle version of my Pidgin English books. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to learn more about how to speak Pidgin English, click the link to subscribe, like the video, or ask a question in the comment. Once again, bye bye. See you next time with another Pidgin English word. Bye bye.